In second column, item name is shown. In third number, you can see the quantities to be taken for the particular item. This particular instrument is calibrated for these 8 items. Now, we will demonstrate you the percentage moisture content in maize. Now, this is a hopper. Just lock the hopper, fill with the sample. This is 150 grams of maize we have taken as a sample. Pour into the hopper. Now, you keep the hopper so that on the right side you can observe the lever. Just put the lever down, the whole sample of the maize will go inside. You can observe that sample has gone inside. Now, key number 5 is calibrated for the maize. Keep the key number 5, switch number 5 pressed so that you can measure a moisture content in the maize. You can observe that this is 11.9% moisture. Please note that here we have taken sample quantity is 150 grams.